Hey, Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we turn digital dimes into online dollars. Now, I know you're probably here because you've heard the buzz. Making money online has never been easier. But here's the twist. You don't need to be grinding 12-hour days to do it. Nope, today we're talking about how lazy can actually be the smartest approach to building a profitable online business using AI. And trust me, it's not just about taking shortcuts. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, whether you're just starting your journey or you've been hustling for a while, stick with me. I'm going to show you 3 lazy ways to make money online with AI that will have you thinking, why did I ever work harder? Let's dive right in. I promise you're going to love these. Alright, first up, we're kicking things off with a method that's as easy as clicking a button. You ready? I present to you CapCut. This app is a game changer for content creators and lazy entrepreneurs alike. You can use CapCut to instantly remove backgrounds from photos and videos. Yup, just like that. You can even replace the background with something cooler. Imagine swapping a boring white wall for a beach scene or a futuristic cityscape. Super simple, and it looks like magic. But wait, how do you make money from this? Easy. Head over to Fiverr and offer a service where you'll charge people to remove the background from their images or videos. You can charge $5 to $15 per job, and guess what? It'll take you just minutes. No joke. Let me break this down. A quick 2-minute job can make you $5 or $10, or even $15 if you replace the background with something custom. Is this going to make you a millionaire? Probably not. But as a side gig, heck yes, and it's a perfect way to dip your toes into the AI money-making pool. Don't think of this as work. Think of it as making lazy money while you're watching Netflix. And hey, who wouldn't want that? Next up, we're talking about going global without leaving your couch. If you're a fan of YouTube or watch a lot of YouTubers like me, you've probably noticed that many creators are only reaching English-speaking audiences. But here's where things get sneaky. What if you could help those creators expand their reach without even speaking the language? That's where Rasque AI comes in. You see, if a creator doesn't already have their videos in another language, say Spanish or French, why not offer your services to help them? You can take their videos, dub them using Rasque AI, which even syncs the lips to the new language, and boom, you've got a translated video ready to upload. You go through YouTube, find a channel with a high following that's not already translating their content, and you offer them the translation service. A 5-minute video that could earn you $50 for just a few minutes of work. This is the definition of working smarter, not harder. You're literally turning someone else's content into a global asset for them and making money in the process. Watch out. Some creators might ignore your emails. But remember, all you need is a few clients to build a recurring income. So don't get discouraged, just keep pitching. And now, for the ultimate lazy moneymaker, starting a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Yep, you heard me right. No need to show your face or even speak on camera if that's not your thing. This is the perfect intro for people who want to get into YouTube but don't want to go on camera. You'll need a few AI tools for this one. First, start with Tube Magic, my personal go-to tool for running YouTube channels without lifting a finger. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, I got a list for you, and Tube Magic's Niche Explorer helps you find profitable topics. Then, using the script writing tool, Tube Magic can generate scripts for you, no writing required. After that, you can use PlayHT to turn those scripts into AI-generated voiceovers. Next, just grab some stock footage, story blocks as you covered, and throw everything together. You've got a video that looks professional, without the hassle of being on camera or recording your voice. This is where the magic happens. You can create videos in bulk, upload 3 to 5 videos a week, and after a while, you've got a channel pumping out passive income while you sleep. But here's the real kicker. Once you've got your routine down, you can outsource the editing for dirt cheap on Fiverr. Imagine getting paid for a YouTube channel you barely even have to work on anymore. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Anukool, this all sounds great, but is it really that easy? And to that I say, yes, it could be. AI has revolutionized how we approach online business. If you take the time to set it up correctly, you can turn these lazy methods into a full-fledged income stream without burning out. If you're just starting, focus on building one channel first. Master the lazy hustle, and then scale up from there. It's all about consistency. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Okay, enough about me. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your get money quick idea using AI. If I love it, I'll give you my honest feedback. And hey, if you're serious about stacking those digital dollars, hit that subscribe button because every week I'm here to share more strategies on how you can work smarter and earn bigger. So, there you have it. The smartest, laziest ways to make money online using AI. Remember, in digital marketing, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Keep learning, keep earning, and hey, if you want deeper dives into AI marketing strategies, visit TheAIMarketingSchool.com. Until next time, stay lazy and stay rich.